Guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Yes, so how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is I am Amma. So if today is your first time clicking, thanks so much for clicking. And also if you're a return subscriber, thanks so much for coming back to watch my videos. And you are my new subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys so much. You guys has been so supportive. You guys has been awesome, and God bless you. Okay, my God bless you guys. Yeah, so someone will ask, it's been a long time I take you guys out. Okay, yeah, because of the Xmas, that is why you are not seeing me in the rural market. So I'm waiting for the Xmas to pass, okay, so that I can visit rural markets. After the Xmas, we are going to visit Togo. We are also going to visit Burkina Faso, Ivory Coast, and the nearby countries. Okay, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. If today is your first time seeing me too, please kindly hit the red button and subscribe. Yeah, today I want to take you guys to Kaswa. Okay, Kaswa is one of the communities in Accra. Okay, so let's go to Kaswa. They have local market and they also have some malls. If possible, we are going to visit some of the mall at Kaswa. Okay, so this is my outfit of today. You know, I like carrying this bag because of my camera. Okay, and it goes with everything. It goes with everything that I wear. Okay, yeah, so this is my bag and my top I'm wearing. You can't see there. Let me so oh, you guys, you are not seeing it. Okay, this is my pants I'm wearing. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Let's go to Kaswa, and I will try my best to take you to the mall. I don't know if when I get to the mall I should do a live stream or I should record. Anyway, unless I get there. So we are going to Kaswa local market. I will try and buy one or two things. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned. Kaswa, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so here I alighted at Chinatown. So that is the mall. Yeah, guys, so in case you want to visit Chinatown, take a car to Kaswa, a car heading towards Kaswa. Tell them you alight at Chinatown. Wherever you are coming from, just take a car to Kaswa because Kaswa is a popular place in Ghana or Accra. So you can easily locate Chinatown. They have a lot of Xmas goodies. Okay, both decoration, plates, sofa, everything. Okay, so kindly check Chinatown app. All right, so let's keep on exploring. Kindly subscribe and support the channel. Yeah guys, so hope you are enjoying the vlog. Kindly hit the subscribe button and support the channel. Okay, this is Chinatown Mall. Chinatown is located when you are going to Kaswa. You ask them you are like at Chinatown. Wherever you are in Ghana, they will drop you. Okay, yeah, so kindly subscribe. They have Xmas decors. Those who do decoration, they have a lot of things for decorations. And also, if you want to decorate your house this coming Xmas, kindly check Chinatown. Remember to subscribe and support the channel. Yeah guys, so there is Xmas music playing at the background in the mall. Okay, so that is why I have removed the noise from it. I don't want any copyright, so kindly subscribe and support the channel. Okay guys.